Hello learners, welcome to English Grammar for Assistant Professor Post Exam classes. You know, and you are preparing well for English paper as well as Kannada paper. There are different items covered under both the languages. You are supposed to score at least 35 marks in English, compulsory English paper. Now, under this category, keeping 2016 question paper as a base, here I have tried to attempt answers to the questions. Apart from question paper, additional examples are also given for your benefit. Kindly make use of them. In this episode, you are going to study about prefixes. Topic is fill in the blanks with correct prefixes given in brackets. Now, before going to start the problems, let us know what is a prefix. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರ್ವ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮೂಲ ಪದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಇದು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರ್ವ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್. A prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word or the root word. Now there are different prefixes. Please remember, to make opposite words, generally we use prefixes. And most of the prefixes are from Latin language. So meaning of these prefixes means not, not. For example, unlimited means not limited. Unwanted means not wanted. So the meaning of un is not, not. Now let us study different types of prefixes in English language. The first one is about un. Comfortable, opposite word is uncomfortable. So we used un before the root word to make it negative. Wanted, unwanted. Equal, unequal. Unequal means not equal. Proved, unproved. Paid, unpaid means not paid. Popular, you know the meaning of popular. Unpopular means not popular. So the meaning of un means not, not. Now these are some of the examples related to prefix un. Coming to the second one, in. Again the meaning of in here is, meaning of prefix in is not, not. Accessible, inaccessible means not accessible. Appropriate, inappropriate means not appropriate. Difference, indifference, that means no difference. Definite, indefinite. Dependent, independent. Now prefixes are underlined in every word. Capable, incapable means not capable. So these are the prefixes. So in is a prefixes used with these words. And the third prefix is I am, im. Again the meaning of I am, im is not, not. Moderate, immoderate. So here it is a prefix I am, im. Moral, immoral. Mortal, immortal. Possible, impossible. Pure, impure. Impure means not pure. Perfect, opposite is imperfect, means not perfect. So the meaning of im is denoted not in English. Now let's go to the next one. Ir, ir is a prefix. Regular, opposite is irregular, means not regular. Again, meaning of ir, ir means denoted not. Respective, irrespective. Please note, prefixes are already underlined for each word. Rational, irrational. Relevant, irrelevant. Religion, irreligion. Removable, irremovable, means not removable. So here this is one type of prefix in English language. Now the next one is, fifth one is miss. MIS, miss means denoted not. Chance, mischance. Conduct, misconduct. Deal, misdeal. Print, misprint. Behave, misbehave. Spell, misspell. So these are all the words related to prefix miss. The next one is dis, dis. So again it is a meaning is not, not. Agree, disagree means not agree. Appear, disappear. Appear means visible, kaanu. Disappear, kaanaderu. Comfort, discomfort. Honest, dishonest. Please remember, dis is already written here, underlined. Like, istapadu. Dislike, istapadodilla, not like. Respect, disrespect. So these are the words related to this. Advantage, disadvantage. So this way there are so many words in English language. Coming to non, non. Cooperation, non-cooperation. In history you have studied non-cooperation movement. Essential, non-essential. Violence, non-violence. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Existence, non-existence. And cooperative, non-cooperative. So here non is also prefix. Coming to eighth one, ill. Please remember, this is ill. Legal, illegal. Ill means not. Legal, not legal. In place of not legal, we write illegal. Legible, illegible. Literate, illiterate. Logical, illogical. Okay. Treatment, ill treatment. So this way ill is used. Now these are some of the prefixes. Now let's go to the problem. Questions will be asked like this in your examination. Write the opposite of the following words using the appropriate prefixes given in brackets. So in the bracket, prefixes are given: im, dis, in, ir, un. So you have to write prefixes. Now relevant, irrelevant, possible, impossible, natural, unnatural, continue, discontinue, credible, incredible, similar, dissimilar. So these are the prefixes we have used before the root word. Now these are called a root word and this is called prefix. Okay, to make opposite words. Now let's go to next exercise. Glare, anti-glare, rational, irrational, foreseen, unforeseen, adventure, misadventure, mortal, immortal, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So these are the answers I have given here. Study them thoroughly. Coming to third exercise here. Active. Here, inactive. In is a prefix. So, sane. It is insane. Cooperation. Non-cooperation. Honest. Dishonest. Print. Misprint. Decent. Indecent. So this way we use negative prefixes. Next one is question, fourth exercise, mobile, that is immobile, not moving. Competent, incompetent. Responsible, irresponsible. So lucky, unlucky. Legible, illegible. Practical, impractical. So this way we use prefixes to make negative words. And fifth one, millionaire, multi-millionaire. Legal, illegal. Human, it is superhuman. Behave, behave, misbehave. Circle, semicircle. And fortune, misfortune. So this way prefixes are used. Please note, if you have any doubts, kindly go through dictionary, try to check the correct answers. And coming to this exercise, respect, disrespect. Second one is known, unknown. Logical, illogical. Revocable, irrevocable. Polite, impolite. And regular, irregular. So these are the negative prefixes. So coming to the next one, repairable, irreparable, make. So remake, kind, unkind, view, review, understand, misunderstand, honest, dishonest. So these are the negative prefixes and answers are written in the blank. With this, let me conclude using of negative prefixes. Thank you very much for viewing this video. So once again I thank you. Please like and share it, and kindly subscribe to our video for further videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.